Is that who I think it is?
I think so.
What's he doing on this train?
How do you know it's a he?
Death is always a guy.
Always.
I think so.
But he's wearing a dress.
Or is it more like a moo-moo?
Robe. It's a robe. Guys can wear robes?
After a shower.
Or if there is some kind of judge.
Death is like a judge.
True. I see what you mean.
A justice of peace.
A justice of rest in peace.
Nice one.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So what's he doing here?
He's got a client, I guess.
One of us?
He's probably on his way somewhere.
Why is Death taking the train?
His winged horse at Death didn't have the guts to go there. Get it? Because it's a skeleton horse. No guts.
Please don't explain the joke. It's not funny if you have to explain it.
Jeez, I'll just let Mitch make all the jokes then.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Death taking the train doesn't make any sense. Doesn't it take too long? Wouldn't Death be in more of a hurry?
Maybe not. Modern medicine is keeping people alive longer. Maybe he's not in a hurry anymore.
Maybe he's on a tight budget like the rest of us. The bad economy is even affecting life and death.
I like Mitch's theory better.
Of course you do.
Mitch has a point. People aren't dying as quick as they used to, or as often. Modern medicine can keep people alive for years beyond what normally would have killed them.
So death saves money and takes the train.
And he's being very environmentally aware too. Trains burn much less energy than planes and cars. Death is doing his part to help the earth.
Wouldn't death like pollution?
Not necessarily. Maybe he likes the natural order of things. Maybe he's doing what he can do to help restore the balance that people offset through technological advancements.
Well said.
Thank you.
I wonder where death takes people.
To the HE double hockey sticks place down below.
And what if they are good?
Heaven.
Wouldn't that be an angel then?
We're all assuming there is a heaven.
I'd like to think there is.
It's nicer that way. Thinking there is someplace good we could go if we lived a good life and that bad people are punished for being bad.
Okay, but who decides what is good and what is bad?
God.
What if you don't believe in God?
That's okay. God still believes in you.
I'd feel a whole lot better facing death if I knew for sure.
Just the fact that we see death sitting over there gives me hope that there is something more beyond life.
Wow! Who would have thought seeing death would make you feel hopeful? That's some serious optimism you've got there, Mitch.
I wonder if he would talk to us. I'd love to ask him about all this life after death, good versus evil.
He doesn't look much like a talker. And what if he speaks Latin or Ewok or something like that?
Ewok.
I'm just making a point that he might be from somewhere else.
I'd rather go with Latin than Ewok.
Or maybe he has a universal translator that helps him understand all languages.
That would make sense.
No, it wouldn't. None of this does. Doesn't it strike you as weird that we've never seen death before?
True. I've never seen him before.
You don't think that means
What happened to Mr. Optimism?
he jumped the train?
Do you think he could be here for us?
All of us.
Pop.
Do you think the train could be crashing or something?
That's the only way I can see all of us dying.
Should we warn the conductor?
We could get off at the next station.
Or maybe we should face death head on without fear.
What happened?
It's like he couldn't breathe. Like the air around him is deadly.
So much for talking to death.
Are you okay, Mitch?
What's the matter? Did he talk you to death? Death got your tongue?
Not funny, Mel.
Come on, my joke's that bad?
Let's just say they bore me to death.
Funny.
Jealous?
No.
Remind me not to do that again.
What did he do to you?
Nothing directly, I think. It's like the air around him is deadly.
Maybe death farted or something.
Care to go see?
No, that's okay. So, what are we going to do now?
How far's the next station? We could get off.
Wait. What if we're already dead? And death is the conductor?
We could test that theory at the next station. Let's get ready to get off.
You all can get off. I'm staying. I have somewhere to be and I can't be late.
What if death is here for you, though? Then you won't make it anyway.
If he's not here for us, then we waste a lot of time by getting off.
I think I'd rather gamble with being late than dead.
Here's the next station. I'm going.
Wait until the train stops, idiot! Come on, Mitch, please, please.
I can't miss my kid's birthday party. I promised her. She's counting on me.
Okay, Mitch. Take care of yourself.
I will. So, Death, what's it gonna be?